Most people think eating healthy is about cutting calories or avoiding dessert. But what if the real danger is something far more common? Something hiding in canned soups, frozen meals, breakfast cereals, and even healthy protein bars. A major new paper in the Lancet shows that ultra-processed foods are tied to 12 major diseases, including cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, Crohn's disease, depression, high blood pressure, and even higher all-cause mortality. And most Americans are getting over 50% of their calories from these foods. Let's talk about what this means for you, and more importantly, how you can protect your health and even reverse the damage. Hi, I'm Dr. Fred Bloem, holistic and integrative physician here in Maryland. For over 30 years, I've helped patients recover from chronic illness, Lyme disease, mold toxicity, hormonal chaos, autoimmune problems, using a deep root cause approach that goes well beyond take this prescription and hope for the best. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and join my newsletter at drbloem.com so you never miss this kind of information. All right, let's break down what the research says and why it matters. The study uses the NOVA classification, where UPFs are formulations of ingredients mostly for industrial use, created through a series of industrial techniques. Typical examples include canned soups, commercially baked goods, frozen meals, pre-packaged meals, processed meats, sodas and energy drinks, sweetened cereals, snack foods like chips, crackers, cookies. These products are engineered for taste, convenience, and shelf life, but not for your biology. The Lancet series pulled data from 104 long-term studies, and 92 of those found a clear association between UPFs and 12 major diseases. These conditions include abdominal obesity, all-cause mortality, cardiovascular disease, chronic kidney disease, cerebrovascular disease, coronary heart disease, Crohn's disease, depression, high blood pressure, obesity, type 2 diabetes. When half your diet is ultra-processed, your body is constantly battling inflammation, microbiome disruption, hormonal imbalances, blood sugar spikes, and toxin loads. These foods aren't just unhealthy, they're biologically destabilizing. If you've been following me for a while, you know this is exactly the kind of pattern I look for in my root map pathway. When someone is dealing with chronic illness, fatigue, weight gain, digestive issues, brain fog, hormonal swings, UPFs often play one of three roles. 1. They inflame the gut and microbiome. Research shows UPFs worsen gut bacterial balance and contribute to obesity and metabolic dysfunction. 2. They disrupt hormones. Frequent blood sugar spikes stress the adrenal system, push insulin resistance, and inflame the ovaries, thyroid, and pancreas. 3. They add to the toxin burden. Additives, emulsifiers, gums, stabilizers, industrial oils. Your liver has to process all of it. If you already have Lyme, mold, Epstein-Barr virus, hormonal chaos, or autoimmune disease, UPFs pour gasoline on the fire. UPF consumption has skyrocketed across the globe. In the US and the UK, more than half of household energy intake comes from UPFs. In China, Spain, Mexico, and Brazil, intake has doubled or tripled in just a few years. Meanwhile, these foods are heavily marketed, cheap, convenient, and designed to override your natural appetite signals. This isn't a willpower issue. It's a biochemical and societal issue. Registered dietitian Monique Richard emphasizes starting gently, not with guilt or shame, but with simple steps. 1. Add before you subtract. Add fruit, vegetables, nuts, beans, real foods, crowd out UPFs. 2. Make convenient swaps. First ingredients are sugar, starches, oils, gums, or stabilizers. It's ultra processed. Swap sugary drinks for water with citrus or berries, unsweetened herbal teas, infused water. Choose minimally processed proteins. Rotisserie chicken, beans, yogurt, tofu, grilled foods, canned fish with low sodium. 4. Replace snack foods. Instead of chips, eat nuts and dried fruit. 5. Cook at home more often. Even one extra home-cooked meal per week improves long-term health. For many patients, simply eating healthier isn't enough. Your gut may be damaged. Your hormones may be out of balance. Your mitochondria may be exhausted. Your detox pathways may be overwhelmed. Here's how I help patients heal from UPF-driven inflammation. 1. Advanced testing to uncover damage. We look for microbiome disruption, leaky gut, insulin resistance, inflammatory markers, hormone imbalances, toxin burden, mitochondrial stress. We offer personalized detoxification support, including ozone therapies, IV glutathione, chelation when needed, binding agents for chemicals, sauna therapies, home detox strategies. For regenerative gut repair, I use targeted peptides, probiotics and prebiotics, mucosal healing nutrients, photobiomodulation, anti-inflammatory diets that still feel doable, autonomic response testing to tailor the plan. For rapid improvements in energy and weight, recommendations include rhythmic or low-dose hormone balancing, peptides, IV therapies, mitochondrial support, a low glycemic eating plan. You get ongoing guidance, adjustments, and support so the changes stick. This is the part most patients have been missing all their lives. A real plan that fits their biology and their reality. Ultra-processed foods are everywhere, but your health doesn't have to suffer because of them. When you understand what they do, how to spot them, and how to repair the damage, you can reclaim your energy, your mood, your metabolism, and your long-term health. If you want help creating a personalized plan, you can visit drbloem.com and schedule a consultation. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join my newsletter so you never miss an update. Now I invite you to share your thoughts on the following questions. What's the hardest UPF for you to cut back on? Have you noticed changes in your mood, digestion, or energy when you eat fewer processed foods? Drop your answers below. I read every comment.